Recall that a contactor is a relay used for higher current circuits. Contactors have two states: closed, open. You can see the symbol for a closed contactor switch in the picture to the right. Recall that the controls within a circuit can open or close switches. You can see the symbol for an open contactor switch in the picture to the right. Contactors will be shown in an open or closed state on the wiring diagram. The state of the contactor on the diagram is the state the contactor must be in for the circuit to work. For example, if the diagram shows an open contactor, then the contactor must be open for the circuit to function. A relay is a type of switch. A controller can remotely open or close a relay. For example, a thermostat turning on a heater is an example of a relay. The thermostat sends a signal to the relay to open or close. The relay opening or closing turns on the heat. You can see an example of the relay symbol in the picture to the right. A transformer is an electrical device that transfers voltage and current between circuits. You can see an example of the transformer symbol in the picture to the right. Recall that an overload switch is used to protect a circuit from surges in current or voltage. The symbol for an overload switch looks like two C's touching. You can see an example of the overload switch symbol in the picture to the right. A high-pressure switch opens the circuit when too high of a pressure is detected. You can see an example of a high-pressure switch symbol in the picture to the right. It is common to find high-pressure switches in HVAC units. A low-pressure switch opens the circuit when the system has too low of a pressure. You can see an example of a low-pressure switch symbol in the picture to the right. Some switches have a time delay between opening and closing. A switch with a time delay will have a vertical line into the switch and a branch at the bottom. The branch at the bottom indicates that it is a time delay switch. The symbol for a motor is a circle with a M in the middle of it. You can see an example of the motor symbol in the picture to the right. The symbol for a winding is a spiraling coil. You can see an example of a winding in the picture to the right. Windings can be found within components like motors or compressors. Recall that a fuse is a device used to protect circuits from surges in current or voltage. The symbol for a fuse looks like a wave symbol. You can see an example of a fuse symbol in the picture to the right. Lines between symbols on a diagram represent wiring. Dashed and solid lines represent different types of wiring on a diagram. The legend will have a definition for each type of wiring in a circuit. Field wiring is wiring that the technician or installer must do in the field. A dashed line represents field wiring on diagrams. Factory wiring is wiring that the factory has done before they sold the product. You do not need to wire anything that is labeled factory wiring. A solid line represents factory wiring on a diagram. We have covered a lot of symbols. What should you do if you forget one? Generally, the best method is to Google wiring diagram symbols. There are images on Google that show common wiring diagram symbols. In this module, you learned some of the complex symbols you will see on a wiring diagram. It is important to memorize these symbols so you can quickly read a diagram.